Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a special meal that someone made for you. You should say who did it, when and how he or she cooked it, what and why he or she cooked for you, and explain how you felt about the meal. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am a foodie and have an avid interest in trying new dishes whenever I get an opportunity, and today I would like to speak about an authentic cottage cheese curry which was quite extraordinary. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So avid means great or deep. Authentic means original. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that about 3 years ago, my friend celebrated her birthday at her home as most places were shut down due to the COVID-19 pandemic and had invited me as well. Moreover, she had hired a cook who had prepared different cuisines as per everyone's liking and taste, including Indian and Chinese, and one of the dishes that hit the spot was a traditional cottage cheese curry. So we have used an idiom here which is hit the spot, which means when something is really satisfying. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, the curry had a distinct taste and the base gravy was prepared from cashew instead of tomatoes, which are used most often, and perfectly blended with exotic spices like cardamom, saffron, as well as cinnamon, which together imparted a unique flavor and fragrance to the dish. So we have given a very good and a relevant elaboration for the question, which is how he or she cooked it. So distinct means different, blended means mixed, exotic means unique, imparted means to give, fragrance means smell. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, the cottage cheese cubes in the gravy were slightly roasted and had a smoky taste attached to it, and overall made the recipe finger licking. So we have used another idiom here which is finger licking, which means when something is very delicious or tasty. Finally, I felt like a dog with 2 tails and was extremely satisfied after tasting the traditional delicacy and still cherish the meal even years later. So we have used another idiom here which is felt like a dog with 2 tails, which means to be very happy. Delicacy means some kind of speciality. Cherish means to remember for a long time. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.